Imagine a garden that never stops blooming. Flowers bursting with color, again and again without replanting. Sounds impossible? Well, get ready. Because today I'm revealing 12 magical perennials that bloom multiple times a season and keep your garden alive with color all year long. Alright, let's dive in. And stick around because number 12 is a showstopper you won't believe exists. Starting with coreopsis. These sun-loving stars bloom repeatedly from early summer to fall, asking for nothing but a little deadheading. And the best part? Pollinators love them. Next up, salvia. Not only do these spiky blooms return throughout the season, but they bring in hummingbirds and butterflies like magnets. A true garden classic, echinacea keeps coming back with vibrant blooms and even reseeds itself. Cut them back after the first flush, and watch the magic happen again. Daylilies used to bloom once, but reblooming varieties like Stella d'Oro and Happy Returns flower again and again, making them a gardener's dream. Pure, cheerful, and reliable, Shasta daisies deliver multiple bloom cycles if you deadhead them after each round. They thrive in sun-drenched spots. These heat-tolerant beauties bloom from early summer well into fall. And here's a pro tip. Skip the fertilizer for even more flowers. Catmint might be the toughest perennial out there. Cut it back hard after each bloom, and it'll keep bouncing back with fresh waves of color. This might be the longest blooming perennial ever. Roseanne geranium starts in late spring, and keeps going till the first frost. No extra care needed. Russian sage offers airy purple blooms all summer long. Trim it lightly and you'll get fresh flowers in no time. Start with pink buds in summer, enjoy burgundy flowers in fall, and leave the seed heads for winter texture. This one never stops giving. Dianthus delivers spicy scented blooms in early summer. Trim them back and you'll see a second, sometimes third, round before autumn. And here's the superstar. Reblooming hydrangeas. Endless summer and bloom-struck bloom on old and new wood, meaning wave after wave of massive colorful flowers. So, which of these blooming champions will you add to your garden? Drop your favorite in the comments and don't forget to hit that like button if you love flowers that never stop showing off. Thanks for watching. Your dream garden is just a plan away.